how to insert long division sign in Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to insert the long division sign on your MS Word. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up a blank document and then you will see insert option right beside home on the top left. Go to insert and then you'll find symbol option on the right hand side. Tap on it. Tap on more symbols. And then here you'll need to search for Cambria Mathematics. So once you've found the Cambria Math, go to the subset section and then tap on the drop down and then search for miscellaneous mathematics, and then here you'll find the long division sign right here. Just tap on it and then tap on insert, and then there you go, the sign has appeared. Now you can close this and then you can just work on this. You can increase the size of it and then insert the numbers inside. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.